Hello guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to install these red stripes into the car. As you guys have already seen in my other videos, I have already installed this thing in my car, like here in the doors or in this panel or there or this door. But I want to apply this here and as well as on the back doors. So let's get right into the video, and I also need to put this thing right here so it will look good, and I have already put like here. So let's get into the video. So the first part where I'm going to install the strips is these things. What I'm going to do is I will install this thing till here, and here I am going to install, if you guys have already seen somewhere, the light one, same like this thing, but it glows with the power. So I will install that thing here. So now I have cut the sizes. Let's install this thing. You can also use this tool which comes with the stripes, so it will be more easy to. A little bit extra from here and this side as well, so I will cut it right now from this side. Okay, so this part is done. Now get into. Okay, so as you guys saw, we installed this thing. You guys can check this out. Now let's get to the back doors. So before going backside, I wanted to show you guys something I bought for the car. As you guys can see, this is like a pillar, but it is actually a foam. So what it does is you can fix this like here. This part will go over the seat belt holder like this, and you can actually put it like this, so it will prevent from things going down there, and also it will prevent from the dust. So I have two of them, so it will go on the other side like this, yeah, like this. So these are the new things I bought, so I thought let's show you guys. So now let's go backside and install the stripes. Okay, so this is the back door, so let's install. You guys can see this thing is not showing the proper color. It's actually the red color, but in camera it is showing the orange color. I hope you guys can see this in person. So let's install the same thing on the other door and let's do it. So guys, it is also installed in this door as well. So tell me in comment section you like this thing or not, and I have still leftover, so give me some suggestions where I can fit this thing or where I should install. I'm thinking of this thing, like installing it right there so it will connect to the front door. Let's do it. Fixing in there, it's just getting out because this space is a lot bigger for this thing. So I will see if I got any idea. I will let you know and make another video, and you guys can see that in another video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.